1. The commercial airliner, the Sky Bus. The commercial airliner. This massive, heavy aluminum tube is engineered to safely carry hundreds of human passengers through the freezing, unbreathable atmosphere miles above the Earth. To keep everyone alive, the cabin is heavily pressurized, acting exactly like a sealed soda can. It is powered by massive turbofan engines hanging under the wings. These engines act like giant vacuum cleaners, aggressively sucking in thousands of gallons of air, compressing it and mixing it with jet fuel to create a continuous, controlled explosion that violently thrusts the massive plane forward. 2. The cargo plane, the flying warehouse. The cargo plane. While it looks similar to a passenger jet on the outside, the inside is completely different. Because boxes do not need to look out at the sky, there are absolutely no windows along the sides, which actually makes the metal fuselage significantly stronger. To load massive, heavy equipment like cars or military tanks, the entire front nose of the plane is engineered on a giant mechanical hinge. The nose flips straight up into the air, allowing workers to slide giant metal pallets directly onto rolling tracks built right into the floor. 3. The fighter jet, the supersonic weapon. The fighter jet. This machine completely ignores fuel efficiency and passenger comfort in exchange for pure, violent speed and agility. Unlike commercial jets, the engine is buried deep inside the main body rather than hanging on the wings. To achieve supersonic speeds faster than the speed of sound, the pilot can activate the afterburner. This highly dangerous mechanism literally dumps raw, unburned jet fuel directly into the hot exhaust pipe, creating an explosive ring of fire that pushes the jet forward with mind-blowing force.